So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you top 7 base meme coins for the next mega bull here. Okay, all of these 7 meme coins are still not listed on major central exchanges just like Binance, Coinbase, but these meme coins has potential to be the next 100, 500 or maybe 1000x profit meme coin here. So video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So friends, our first meme coin is Pong coin, $0.3 current price that's pumped by almost 15% here. Coin is currently $179 million market cap. Okay, $179 million market cap. That's awesome. Nearly $24 million trading volume in last 24 hours. That's awesome. And most amazing thing about this meme coin is total supply. That is just 555 million coins only. Okay, so total supply is very less here. So that's awesome. Coin is working on Solana blockchain. That is awesome. Okay, you can see this is Solana chain, a meme coin here. That's amazing. We are just 31% down than its all-time high. That was just 30 days ago, and we are 4000% up than its all-time low. That was 6 months ago. Coin has already killed two zeros. Okay, so that's amazing. And because this meme coin is facing its first bull run launched this year 2024. Okay, so this is fresh meme coin. So this meme coin has potential to be the next maybe 50 to 100x potential meme coin here, already listed on Bybit, MEXC. I'm holding this meme coin on MEXC exchange. Gate.io, BingX is also listed this meme coin, but still this meme coin is not listed on KuCoin exchange, not on many other major centralized exchange. Okay, but friends, definitely this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see its major centralized exchanges listing soon, and Pong coin maybe can be the next 50 to 100x potential meme coin here. First, second number meme coin is Turbo. You can see $0.005 price that dropped by almost 14% in last 24 hours. Coin has currently $348 million market cap. So market cap is already amazing. $124 million trading volume. That's awesome. 69 billion coin supply, all in circulation. That's awesome. And this meme coin is also a newly launched meme coin. Okay, just 9 months ago this meme coin was launched there. So this meme coin is very new meme coin. Facing is first bull run more than 7000% up than its all-time low. So that's amazing. Coin has already killed two zeros here. Okay friends, coin was initially launched with four zeros, but right now has only two zeros in price. So that's amazing. We are 48% down than its all-time high, and this is AI meme coin. Okay, this is AI meme coins. Here you can see artificial intelligence meme coins. So that's amazing. This narrative can be the next big narrative in crypto market, and then these AI category meme coins can boom here, and maybe then Turbo coin can gain the $1 billion market cap here. And friends, that's amazing. That is still this meme coin is not listed on major central exchanges, no even on KuCoin exchange. You can see just Gate.io, MEXC. I'm also holding this meme coin on MEXC, OKX, okay, PointPay. These are central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. But I think maybe KuCoin can list soon this meme coin. After KuCoin's listing, maybe in future this year or maybe in the first quarter of next year, we can see Turbo coin listing on Binance also. First number third meme coin is Bitcoin Cat. Okay, one cat is symbol $0.0029 current price. Okay, you can see its market cap is just $14.7 million only. Okay, only $14.7 million market cap meme coin. So super low cap meme coin. But last 24 hour trading volume is amazing. $7.4 million trading volume. So that's amazing, friends. Okay, total supply is 5 billion coin. Okay, but circulation supply is still not verified on CoinGecko here. Coin is working on Ethereum chain. So that's awesome. Okay, you can see Bitcoin words. That's amazing. And this is not just a meme coin, but you can see it's the layer 2 L2 gaming platform, gamify. So that amazing. Okay, coin has make its all time low just 8 days ago. We are just 18% up in its all time low. This meme coin maybe can be the next 1000x potential meme coin because super low cap meme coin. And if we saw a massive hype for this meme coin in coming months, then definitely Bitcoin Cats can be the next 1000x potential because this is super low cap meme coin. Okay, and its narratives are awesome. Here you can see coin is working in layer 2 gaming platform. So these are something that are very unique about this meme coin. We are 76% down than its all-time high. Coin is already listed on KuCoin exchange where I'm holding this meme coin. MEXC has also listed BingX, BitCat. These are central exchanges where this meme coin is already listed. But I think this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see its market cap maybe up to 500 to maybe $1 billion in coming mega bullion here. And this meme coin has potential to be the next 1000x potential meme coin here. But friends, I'm not suggesting you to buy this meme coin because I'm only invested just $5 in this meme coin on KuCoin exchange. Friends, number fourth meme coin is Grook. Okay, you can see Grook AI. This is also another AI theme meme coin. $0.01 current price, and its market cap is just $64.8 million only. Last 24-hour trading volume is nearly $13 million. So that is awesome. 6.3 billion coin supply, all in circulation. That is amazing. And friends, this is, as I already told you, another AI theme meme coin. Here you can see AI meme coin. That's amazing. And Elon Musk inspired meme coin. So that's awesome. These narratives are amazing. We are 65% down than its all-time high and nearly 600% up than its all-time low. This meme coin is also newly launched meme coin. This will fast its first bull run. Okay, so these something that are very unique about this meme coin. This meme coin is still not listed on major central exchanges, no even on KuCoin exchange. You can see just Kato.io, MEXC. Okay, I'm holding this meme coin on MEXC exchange. Okay, and these are the other central exchanges where this meme coin is listing. But definitely Grook AI coin has also potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin, because AI narratives is the most hottest narrative for this mega run, and AI meme coins maybe can perform really amazing here. First, number 6 meme coin is a Politify, a parody meme coin. You can see MAGA has its name, MAGA symbol. Okay, coin is currently 3 zeros in its price. Market cap is $145 million. That is amazing. Last 24-hour trading volume is awesome. $138 million trading volume. So that is amazing. Okay, 410 supply, 410 billion coin supply. Okay, in circulation. That is so some coin is working on Ethereum chain. Okay, this is a parody, a Politify meme coin. You can see that is amazing narrative. Okay, and you can see we are almost 800% up there. Its all-time low. Coin has already killed 10 since launching. That is awesome. Coin is already listed on Get.io, HTX, BingX, MEXC. These are central exchanges where Megahyte is listed, and maybe we can see its major central exchange listing soon here. FS number 7, the last meme coin is Maniki coin. Okay, you can see coin is currently 2 zeros in its price, $86 million market cap already, $26.7 million last 24-hour trading volume. So that's amazing. Okay, 8.8 billion coin supply, all in circulation. This is the Solana chain meme coin, a K theme meme coin on Solana chain. That's awesome. We are 64% down than its all-time high. That was 2 months ago, and we are almost 117% up than its all-time low also. Okay, that was just 2 months ago. So that's good for performance for this meme coin, because still this meme coin is also not listed on major central exchanges. As you can see, listed on crypto.com. Okay, Get.io, Bitget, MEXC. I'm holding this meme coin on KuCoin exchange. Okay, but still this meme coin is not on Binance, on Coinbase, but this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see, okay, Maniki coin maybe major central exchange listing in this year or maybe in the next year. Okay, so friends, these are the 7 base meme coins for next bull run. Mostly I'm holding these meme coin on different central exchanges that I'll show you, but this video is not in promotional video or any financial advice video. If you wanna invest in these meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest in these meme coin.